Hi there. Did you know that you can make real money just by shortening links? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online just by shortening links on your Android phone, or you can do this on your iPhone, anywhere, even on your laptop. Now, I have several tabs open on my browser, and this is just one of the links, one of the services that I use to shorten my links. So what I want you to do is, the first legit one is clicksfly clicksfly.com. Now there are many shorteners out there that promise you to make money, but I have read reviews of these apps. Some of them are apps, you can find them on the Google Play and App Store, and some of them are just websites. So as you can see, this one, ClicksFly, which is my favorite, pays up to $150 per 1,000 views. Now, after you shorten a link and you're wondering like, how can I make money by shortening links? Well, stay until the end of the video and I'll show you some tips on how you can get these 1,000 views within a day, even within a week. I have a simple hack coming up. So this is ClicksFly, the first one, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. So let me just go to the payout rates so that you can see how much they will pay you, and they pay depending on the country you live in. But as for me, I'm from Africa, so I think this service will pay me just little amounts of money, but it's okay. When I convert it to my local currency, it will pay even more. So here it is. Minimum payout is $3. Payment frequency is weekly, monthly. That's the only payment frequency. Payment methods are through Bitcoin, PayPal, which most of you have, Payoneer, Paytm for Indians, bank transfer, and other services. Now, if you live in Iceland and people click on your links 1,000 times or 1,000 views, you get $15. Depending, if doesn't matter if they are on the desktop or the mobile phone. Even if you're when you're in the US, they pay $13, Netherlands $12, United States $12, United Kingdom, I mean New Zealand 10. As you go down, Germany $7, India $4, and then now worldwide is $3. Wow. And if I can go to my dashboard on ClicksFly, so what you have to do here is paste a link, any link that you can paste, and then you can share it with people. Now what I want you to do is, you can go on YouTube. On YouTube you can find a helpful video that can help someone. Let's say this video. So I'll copy the link of this Kevin David video. After the link is copied, I'll go back to my ClicksFly dashboard and paste that link. Then what you can do here is you can leave this blank. Then you can choose what the end, the domain that Clicksfly will put at the end, whether it will be clk.inc or coa.press, but I prefer .inc. Then you can choose the expiry date. Maybe you want it to expire in 2019, December on the last day. Then what do you want the ads to show? What kind of ads do you want to show to the user who clicks on your links? If you don't want to show any ads, that would mean maybe you wouldn't get as much. So I would like to show banner ads. Then I can shorten right here. So it has given me this shortened link that I will copy. Now remember, we shortened the link for this video, how to make $300 a day online by clicking a button, by Kevin David. So this is how to make money online. Now I'll show you the hack which you can use in order to get many clicks. As for now, my balance is 000. So what I want you to do is you can go to this website, Quora.com, or however you pronounce it. It doesn't matter really. So Quora is a question and answer website. Now I don't want to log in because I already have the app on my phone right here. So what you can do is just you can write, you can answer someone's question right here, and there are so many people who want answers to something. So I just shortened the link for a video. You can shorten a link to a post, to anything. Now after you shorten that link, you want to get it, and then you go to the answer section right here, and after that you can just search for okay, let me just search for how to make money online. Maybe someone might ask that question, how to make money online. So after someone clicks on your answer, you maybe a short a long answer which will take you about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then you can put that link and tell them to say for more stuff, or for you to learn more, you can click on this link and learn more on YouTube. Then you paste in your shortened link in that answer. Now my internet connection is not that strong, but yes, that's the number one thing you can do. You can even shorten links to your what you can even shorten link to your YouTube channel, to anything, so that when someone clicks on that link, the advertisers will show them advertisements, and it will only last maybe seconds or minutes. So enough with Clicksfly. Let me show you other services, other link shorteners that you can use to shorten your links. Now I'm already logged in into ShrinkEarn. That's shrinkearn.com, and you can find this in the description below. You can just click on shrinkearn.com in the description and it will take you to this website. You don't have to type it in into your browser. So As you can see, Shrink Earn is almost the same as ClickFly. They have the same interface. As you can see, it's like almost the same. Now you need to read the rules out here. No adult links, multiple views, count up to 5, weekly pay with pay options. Yes, that's shrinkearn.com. You can find it in the description. I don't have to say much about this one because it's almost the same as clicksfly.com, which is also in the description. Now Payday Cash, as you can see right here, it's saying free, free, free. We give free 10 rupees for every new users as a sign up bonus. Join now and get free money. Now paydaycash.com says highest paying website in India. So that's a bonus for you who live in India. You can sign up with paydaycash.net, which is also in the description. The other one, the trusted one, is adshrink.com. Now adshrink, it's more suitable to visit on your desktop, but I'll show you another one which is legit. There's Linkverse, there's Linkbox. All you have to do, as you can see right here, they pay through Payoneer, Payza, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. So what you have to do is just sign up for this service. You can enter your username, password, you type the password, the email, then the contact information. Whoa, this one requires a payment account, okay. Wow. But the other ones, like Payday Cash, ClicksFly, and ShrinkEarn, just require you to use your username, which you can create any username with some numbers. You input your email, your password, you type it, then they'll give you a reCAPTCHA to solve. Then you click on the I agree to the terms of service. Then you register. That's it. So what I'll do right here is I'll go to another browser and I'll paste in our shortened link. Let's see what it will give us. So when it goes to this link, it will show me advertisements, and when people click on this same link, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere you like. And when people click on your link, you earn some extra dollars. This is passive income because even while you are asleep, there will be people on your link, people clicking on, like, while you sleep, people clicking on your links, and you don't have to always ask someone to click on your link. You can just give information about something. So as you can see on the bar, it's saying YouTube, but it has taken me to ClicksFly. Please check the capture box to proceed to the destination page. Oh, my internet is slow, that's why. But it will show right here where it's saying web page not available. It will show the So that's it, guys. You can shorten any links, post them on social media, share them to your friends, family, and everyone, and you can earn money while you sleep. This is passive income. You can do it on your phone, laptop, iPad, everywhere. But this video was mainly focused for your Android phone. So if you want to know if I get paid using these link shortening services, I want you to subscribe and hit that bell button below so that you don't miss the next video, because I will show you the withdrawal, everything. Just don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed. God bless. Make sure you follow all the steps that I taught you in this video, and follow the links in my description so that you can get there fast to the destination. Sign up and shorten links, share them to social media, answer questions on Quora. You can also answer questions on reddit.com, and you can just tell your friends to click on the link so that you can earn extra money, and you can cash out at only $3 minimum and maximum, whatever, $150, and 1,000 views, you get more money. So make sure to subscribe before you leave and click the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you don't miss a beat when I post the next video on how to make money. I also make videos on how to create websites, so you can subscribe and tell your friends to tell another friend so that they can tell another friend. Stay blessed.